So here I have my dusty old Ultra 2, and I bought the 3. Why did I do that? Listen, I don't really know. I'm not really good at managing my money. But hey, let's take a look at the new Apple Watch, huh? By the way, if you guys are wondering how these straps last and hold up after a year, there you go. Looks pretty good to me. Too bad I got another strap. Oh, so lucky I didn't break anything. I always like the presentations of these Apple Watch Ultras. It's very outdoorsy, even though the most outdoorsy thing I ever did was drive to my local Starbucks. Oh, yeah, we already know how to do all that. This is boring. Let's go ahead. So, I did get this this one. I forgot what this one is called. The Titanium Milanese Loop, because I just kind of wanted something new. I didn't really want to use the fabric one again, so I just wanted to, you know, splurge a little bit more and get this one. And I also decided to get the black Apple Watch Ultra because I've been using silver for the past 2 years, and I want to try something new. And apparently Godzilla is having a battle right outside my window, and I hope that's not coming across through the microphone. And I sure do hope he wins. Alright, here's the moment of truth. Yep, there it is. Yeah, I'm honestly happy I'm getting the black instead because, I don't know, it looks a little bit more stealthy. I also like how they still kept that orange button instead of also blacking it out. Really like it. I think it's a nice, you know, if you guys want a nice change from the silver to the black, I think it would be a good one. You know, especially if you're tired of old silver hands over here. Now let's get this thing powered up. I read that the screen on here is supposed to be a little bit bigger than a screen on here. Not in terms of the actual, like, physical size, but more because they reduced the bezel. So I'm kind of curious to see how that is in person. Alright, it's turning on, and let me go ahead and set it up and I'll be back. So now that the Ultra 3 has paired up, let's go ahead and check out the screen. So yeah, I mean, we can see that the screen on the new 3 is ever so slightly bigger. We can see that the borders, or the black bezel, is a bit thinner on the new one compared to the old one. But aside from that, even as far as thickness, the sensors, everything is identical. I mean, literally, everything's basically identical. But of course, we also get some brightness upgrades. So I believe from 2000 to 3000 nits of peak brightness. And even in indoor lighting, I'm not sure how it's coming across on camera, but even in indoor lighting where it's not really harsh, the Ultra 3 does look a little bit brighter, but it did just enter into sleep mode just now. There we go. So yeah, the Ultra 3, like I said, even in this indoor lighting is brighter, so that's good. But I do wish they had some sort of anti-reflective tech on there. Like, I mean, for example, like the new iPhone 17 Air or the iPhone 17, and in fact, all the iPhone 17 models do have the anti-reflective display. It does kind of help eliminate reflections. I just kind of wish they brought that over to the watch. But anyway, let's go ahead and open this up and see how it fits. Oh, I just definitely did not do that the right way, but oh well. Ooh, shiny. Now the crazy thing about titanium is how first of all, it doesn't even feel like titanium. It feels like plastic, which is insane. I mean, not in a bad way, but this thing is so lightweight. It doesn't even, I can't even comprehend it. It is so lightweight. And here's how the strap looks with the watch. I think it looks amazing. I mean, like I said, it's actually hard to, you know, to tell you guys how lightweight this strap is. It looks really nice too. Nice satin finish, a nice little locking mechanism. Also, what are your opinions on liquid glass? What do you guys think of the whole shiny kind of the shiny water aesthetic? I don't know, it's kind of, I feel like it's a little distracting. I don't know, maybe I'm just getting old. Let me know what you guys think below. Now, in terms of speed and responsiveness, as always, it's an Apple Watch. It's going to be very responsive, whether you're using a little wheel or you're using your finger. Very responsive. I'm kind of curious to see how well the battery life is, because apparently it's even gotten better. I got 2 days out of the old pair, so 2 days of battery life. I'm expecting around maybe 2.5, maybe 3. You know, maybe I can pray, right? So we're gonna go ahead and see. I will definitely make sure to make a full in-depth review as well. But battery life, I'm curious, and my brother is calling me, so thumbs up to him. So what do you guys want to know about the Apple Watch Ultra 3? Let me know down below in the comments. I'll make sure to cover it in my full review. But so far, I like it. I mean, not really that big of a change. The little, you know, the slightly bigger display. Now the brightness is definitely good, but you know, the Ultra 2 was bright enough, honestly. So we will definitely kind of see what takes place in the coming days. So definitely stay tuned for that video. But as always, if you guys enjoyed today's video, definitely click that like button. And if you guys are new here and you like no BS tech reviews, definitely subscribe. And as always, this was Mark from Mark's Tech. Adios.